Hey guys, welcome to Basic Construction Video Lesson 2 of 3. Hey, I'm going to throw a contest out for you guys. You guys should look for a theme song to start off all my videos with, and it has to be non-copyright, okay? May the best one win. Okay, next one we're going to look at is how do you construct an angle bisector. Remember, if this is an angle, a bisector would cut it into two equal parts. Okay? So let's take a look at this one. Step 1, we're going to put point on Y, our vertex, and draw arc that hits both rays. Okay, so I'm going to grab my handy dandy compass. And I want to make it smaller. There's going to be a reason for this madness. I'm going to draw my arc. Okay? Now, I'm going to label these guys. I should have named them X and Y. Or X and Z. We're just going to move X and Z over here. Okay. You guys can make them so they go from X to Z. That's fine. Step 2. We're going to put our compass, put point on X, and make arc. Now we're going to keep the compass the same size. And do the same thing on Z. And it will look like this. I'm going to put it on X. Come out here. Now you gotta make an arc so that way it'll pass through. Make it kind of big. Now I'm gonna go to my Z. Remember 150, guys. Make an arc. And we're gonna call that point, I don't know, X, Y, Z. We'll call it point A for fun. And last, we draw Y, A, arc. Not arc, ray. And we're done. That's our angle bisector. It's going to cut this guy and the two equal sides. What just happened? How did I get to 3/6? Anyways, guys, bust out your 3/6 packets. Let's do this front part really quick. See 1 and 2, jump over the line, your interior. So those are alternate interior. 3 and 4, lower right, corresponding. And you have to jump over the line. You're on the outside. That's alternate exterior. Boom. Next page. Okay, I do have to tell you guys one joke. Do you guys hear about why the music teacher needed a ladder? They needed to reach the high notes. I'll let you guys think about that one. Alright, here we go, guys. Constructing parallel lines. Given you have line L and point N, construct you want line M through N such that M is parallel to M. So L is parallel to M, so what you're looking for. Now, step 1, we're going to draw or make H and J on L, so those are going to be 2 points. I'm going to make an H and J. Okay, and then we're going to draw H N. Okay, so let me grab my line drawing tool, my straight edge, if you will. Oops, wrong one there. So through H and N. Okay. I'm going to fix this a little bit. Can't have you looking sloppy, Mr. Line. Okay. Now, how are we going to construct these parallel lines? Well, you do step 2. At N, we're going to make an angle that's congruent to N, H, J. So let's do it. So I need to grab my compass. That's where I'll do this. I'm going to go rapid fire. I'm going to go ahead and make my arc. I'm going to move it. I'm going to go ahead and make my arc. I'm going to come over here. Make this that size. Guys, I'm going to break a rule here. Nope, I can't. Guys, just remember 35. So you guys can do this with your fancy technological make your arc. Then I'm going to put my line there. And try and make it so these head up. Okay. And there we go. Now I take my word for it, I can't get to match. Now why are those 2 lines going to be parallel? Because they have congruent corresponding angles. And if 2 lines have congruent corresponding angles, or 2 lines crossed by transversal corresponding angles, they are congruent. Alright guys, here we go. This one's tricky. Go ahead and read it over what we're trying to do. There's a lot going on. AB is equal to M. We're trying to make a quadrilateral, something with 4 sides, such that your top and your bottom, your AB and your CD, are parallel. We also want the top CD to be twice as long as the bottom AB. So here we go. Let's try it out. First thing I'm going to have to do is draw some lines. I'm going to change my color up. This has to pass through A. And I'm going to draw. That's all I have to draw, right? So first I'm going to make CD some line that's parallel to AB. So I'm going to come up here and make a point C. Okay. Now remember, my first step is going to be to take and make my parallel lines by making the same angle. Go through and make a swoosh. Make my swoosh. Come over here. Match these 2 guys up. We'll go 35. We'll say that's 35. I'm going to break a rule here. You make your swoosh. Okay. Now we make our line. Change color again. I'll make this one red. Where's my line drawing tool? I lied. So I'm going to make this so it passes through both those. I'm doing the best I can. Then I'm going to take my compass. This length is M, right? So I'm going to set equal to that, 81. I'm going to put on this point 81, 81, 81. Make my swoosh. What are you doing? What's this guy doing? That'll work. Then I have to go over here and I make another swoosh because it has to be twice as long, guys. And that's going to be my point D. And one last thing to do, and that's connect the dots. So I connect B and D. And there I go. Top and bottom are parallel. CV is twice the length of AB. Feel free to watch that one again, guys. It's tricky. That ends lesson 2 for basic constructions. Tomorrow we're going to finish this up, and it'll probably be a short one. Have a good day.